Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I've decided to share with you a special clip that is taken from a long video that I recorded last year on September the 8th. And you will see me going through the various stages of a long-term analysis of the S&P 400, the cash index. And as I find it exciting in the fact that we are possibly on the threshold of a major signal in the markets, and you will see me how I urge my subscribers, the viewers, to accept, to embrace the consequences should we get that signal that I felt is coming. It is now 6 months since I recorded this video, and you can see that my subscribers have had the benefit of the last 6 months being on the right side of the market, the stock market, and I got that very right, that analysis, and since then a lot of other things I got right, but I've decided to include it for you, to put it here for public access, to share with you a bit the kind of work that I do. If you are interested to take a trial, to try out my service for 1 week, you can pay with PayPal, Moneybookers, or AlertPay, Payza, or you can get in touch with me. Maybe you can work out other solutions. I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends if you are interested. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here on the chart that I've prepared for this video, I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Mexican peso, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, US dollar Polish zloty, and then gold, silver, euro bond, USD bond, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the Chinese Securities Index. Okay, that is the chart of the S&P Midcap monthly scale. Now I've got to tell you, I spent quite a bit of time on this chart because there are so many interesting things here. First, take a look at a possible mega inverse head and shoulders here. I've already pointed it out in previous videos. I don't know how many of you remember. Do you see this? Do you see this in the inverse head and shoulders? Do you see the neckline? Do you see the run above the neckline, and you see the coming back, the test of the neckline? This is one huge inverse head and shoulders. Another thing is, look carefully here. Do you see huge inverse head and shoulders here? Massive inverse head and shoulders since April or so 2011, and the momentum is not looking that bad. It's not brilliant, but it's not looking that bad. That's the monthly turning around. That's really important. Now let's go to the weekly and look at momentum is coming up very nicely here. We don't have a screaming divergence, but at least we have the momentum on our side, the bulls. And look at this huge inverse head and shoulders. Huge. Now, the fact that it ran up, in my opinion, and I said let's wait patiently to see what the market is telling us, I think this price action is tilting the odds, in my opinion, clearly onto the side of the bulls. And that's what we should do. We should take it as a beginning of a bull market. For now, I think that's the most likely scenario. But I do have a problem with the long-term wave count here. I can't do better than just presenting to you my thoughts. I cannot change anything, of course, on the chart. I cannot, invent anything. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts, and I have to take the chart as a given. I just have to work with what I've got here. And what I see is that I think that since the bottom here, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ended here. We had a clear ABC right here, and we had another ABC right here. I can't do anything else with it because the price crashed through the floor here. I just can't take this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not possible. So the only other way that I can accommodate the price action here is to take this as an ABC, That's as an ABCX. And then coming down, there is a sensible case for another ABC. So it looks funny, but the only way that I can sort of accommodate the price action here is to take this as one, yes, ending the 5 legs running up. Do you remember? That's an ABC, that's an X, that's another ABC. And then the second wave probably ended here. I'll be the first to say that this is not extremely high confidence reading, but that is a reading that, if you like, accommodates reasonably well what's going on here. So that's one, that's ABCX, ABC2, and we're going up in a massive bull market. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up we go. Let's have a look now at the daily. It's not an easy chart to analyze, so if you find that you need to watch this analysis 2 times in case you're really interested in this, that is perfectly normal and maybe even desirable. That is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Sorry, this jumped. Not supposed to be here. Sorry. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3. Up we go. This one has another move coming right away. Short term. Yes, tradable. Actually, a very nice move. I think that the 4th wave ended possibly here. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E. That's 1. That's 2. That looks to me like a 4th wave. I'll show you the 5-minute chart because it's really clear. Look. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Give it possibly a bit of time to gyrate here, or maybe not. Maybe it'll just shoot up immediately. But the point is, there is wow, 985, 96, about 17 to 20 points on a big contract of the EMD. This is huge, absolutely huge. So there is definitely an opportunity here, but you have to be pretty agile, because once you get the 5th, you have to run. You have to get out of the way because a correction is coming. I'll jump back to the daily. Now, we get a firm weekly close above the neckline here. I think we just have to embrace the bull with 2 hands. It's just, I can't see any other way. I mean, if we refuse, let's put it this way, if we refuse to believe the chart that we are beginning a massive bull market on a weekly close, a firm weekly close at this level, with a MACD on our side and everything on our side, I don't know what else we need in order to believe that this is a serious bull market. The only thing that could puncture the party here is this. And it's always the other side, yeah? But the odds will definitely sit with the bulls if we get a strong weekly close. Now, I would watch carefully the political situation in the Middle East, because I think, if, as I said, if there is going to be an explosion, it's likely to happen in October, November. I think between now to December, we will know whether there is going to be any explosion or not. So that, in my opinion, is the most vulnerable thing that I see on the horizon for the bulls. But suppose it climbs above this level, you would have an ABC, ABC, ABC. That will turn into a tiny ABC, and then you'll get that. That will be an A, that's B, that's C. I mean, big scale, yeah? You'll find that the second wave will end up here on a crash before a shot up. But I tell you that I am not favoring this. I am favoring going along with the bull right now. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader. He's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that here's, if you like, I threw in some of the philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott Waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself, blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, alert pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.